Downloading your account data from Gmail is a straightforward process that allows you to back up your emails and other information. Follow these steps to complete the download. Step 1. Sign into your Google account. Visit the Google account page and sign in using your Gmail credentials. Make sure you're logged into the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Access Google Takeout. Once logged in, navigate to Google Takeout by entering Google Takeout in the search bar or going directly to the Takeout website. This service allows you to export your data from various Google services. Step 3. Select data to download. On the Google Takeout page, you will see a list of Google services. Deselect all options and then scroll down to Find Mail. Check the box next to Mail and any other services you wish to include in your download. Step 4. Choose file type and delivery method. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on Next Step. Here, you can choose a file type such as zip and the delivery method like a download link via email or add into cloud storage. Make your selections and click Create Export. Step 5. Download your data. After the export process is complete, you will receive a notification via email or link to download your data, depending on the delivery method you chose. Click the link to download the file to your device. Now you have successfully downloaded your Gmail account data. This backup can be useful for keeping records or transferring information to another account.